We're going to do chicken Paillard, so a pounded, very thin piece of white meat chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast. And it's usually served bistro style with a very lightly dressed frisee salad up on top. And that's kind of it. Today we're going to mash up a Cobb salad. So we'll have a salad with spicy greens and bright celery tops in a Dijon and honey and white balsamic dressing. We're going to put that on top of the Paillard, okay? And then we're going to add smoked blue cheese, roasted tomatoes, and bacon. Yum. We're then going to sprinkle them with fresh thyme, drizzle them with a little olive oil, and season them up with a little salt and pepper. Boom. Bacon and tomatoes. Done. And you're going to use a very sharp knife and open it like a book. You're going to butterfly the chicken breast and leave it attached. See, now it looks like a big, beautiful heart shape, right? We've got some here that's already been seasoned with salt, pepper, and rosemary. We're gonna put fresh garlic in our dressing, but just a little sprinkle, so salt, pepper, garlic on your chicken with lots of rosemary. Olive oil into the pan, and these suckers are so huge, we're gonna have to go one piece at a time. And of course, they're very thin, so they're gonna cook in just a few minutes on each side. All right, we gotta take a quick break. So, here is our beautiful, juicy chicken. Oh, it's falling apart, it's so tender. That is a giant Paillard. Look at it, it looks like a big heart, it's gorgeous. We're gonna keep him warm for dressing. Where you should begin always is in macerating or adding salt and acid to grated onion, in this case shallot, and or grated garlic. We're going to add some Dijon, and we balance that with some honey, fat drizzle of honey. The lighter the color, the lighter the flavor, as we were saying earlier. And then stream in the olive oil while you're whisking to emulsify your dressing. We have spicy arugula. We have celery tops, which are so citrusy and lovely, shaved celery, and green onions, lots of crunch, mild onion flavor, parsley tops, and some watercress, which is insanely good with blue cheese. Come on back, we'll plate this up. So, our rosemary chicken Paillard, or chicken cutlet, right? Cooked in a cast iron skillet. Then we're going to pile it high with our lemon Dijon salad, with the celery tops and watercress and arugula. A big old stripe of bacon down the middle. And then we are going to grab some of our oven roast tomatoes with thyme and put that along another side. Some blue cheese in there. Yes. We're gonna put some buttery diced avocado on that side.